you tired of spending hours creating graphics, editing videos, or removing backgrounds from pictures? In this video, we will introduce you to some game-changing AI tools that can help you create stunning visuals, generate high-resolution images, and speed up your workflow. Now, without further ado, let's introduce the tools. First up, Gamma. Gamma is an AI tool that can help you create beautiful and unique designs. It uses machine learning algorithms to generate new designs based on your input. With Gamma AI, you can create PPT, documents, web pages. Second, AutoDraw. AutoDraw is an AI tool that can help you draw like a pro. It uses machine learning to recognize your doodles and turn them into professional-looking drawings. With AutoDraw, you can create sketches, diagrams, and other illustrations in no time. Third, RunwayML. RunwayML is an AI tool that can help you generate high-resolution images. It uses machine learning algorithms to create realistic images based on your input. With RunwayML, you can create stunning visuals for your projects. Fourth, StudioDMID. StudioDMID is an AI tool that uses facial speech generative AI technology to turn text into an avatar. With StudioDMID, you can produce customized videos featuring talking avatars at the touch of a button, giving your images a voice and bringing them to life. This tool is perfect for creating engaging social media content, explainer videos, and more. Last but not least, ClipDrop.co. ClipDrop.co is an AI tool that can help you create stunning visuals in seconds. It uses machine learning to remove objects, people, text, and defects from your pictures automatically. With ClipDrop.co, you can extract the main subject from a picture with incredible accuracy, relight your images with beautiful lights, and upscale your images by 2x or 4x in seconds. Here you got it, guys.